Hello students, welcome to Christchurch Convent High Secondary School, Gadawara. This is your digital class 12th, subject Biology, Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Today, students, we will study about genome. What is genome? Genome is the total genetic information carried in a cell or an organism. Okay, means किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के सेल में जितने भी जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन है, मीन्स ऑल द डीएनए दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और क्लोरोप्लास्ट और आरएनए, मीन्स जितना भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, डीएनए स्पेसिफिकली डीएनए जो प्रेजेंट है एक सेल के अंदर किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म में, total sum of the DNA is called the genome. Okay, so this term genome was given by Hans Winkler, who was the botanist in the Germany, that is the botany professor of botany at the University of Hamburg in Germany. And the word genome is probably a blend of the words like gene and chromosome. Okay, so this is, and what is genomic? Genomic is the study of the relationships between the genome and the biological functions of an organism. ऑर्गेनिज्म के जो बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन है, देयर एस्पायरेशन, एक्सक्रीशन एंड अदर नर्वस सिस्टम, all with and the relation between them, means these biological functions and the genome is called as, to study them is called as genomics. Okay, next is what? That is Human Genome Project. Human Genome Project is the largest project in the biology, and it is the scientific research project with the goal of determining the sequence of all the nearby 3.2 billion nucleotides of human genome and of identifying and mapping of the genes of the human genome. Human genome के जितने भी जीन्स हैं उनकी मैपिंग करना, उनको पहचानना, उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखना, उसका एक डाटा तैयार करना, एंड फंक्शनल और फिजिकल स्टैंड पॉइंट पर, that is called as Human Genome Project. And Human Genome जो है, it has approximately कितना उनमें बेस पेयर्स हैं, that is 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs, which is very large. If we are written it in a book, so in a book form, if each page of the book contains 1000 letters and each book contains 1000 pages, then 3,300 such books would be required to store this information of DNA of human genome. So this is the largest project, and the objectives are to determine the sequence of about 3.2 billion base pairs and store this information in database, and determination of the function of all the human genome, and so this is the objectives. There are some silent features of human genome, that is the average gene consists of 3000 nucleotides, and what about the human genome contains 3164.7 million nucleotides, and the average gene consists of 3000 nucleotides, but sizes vary greatly, means there is a differentiation in their size. So this is all about the Human Genome Project, and this is all about your chapter, that is the molecular basis of inheritance. Thank you.